Hi guys, welcome to Cookingmojo. Today I'm going to make pav. Pav is used to make various street foods like Vada Pav, Pav Bhaji and lot more. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 1 cup warm milk, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 cup maida, half teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoons of butter. In a bowl, pour 1 cup warm milk. In that I am going to add sugar and instant dry active yeast. Now give it a good stir. Cover it and keep it in a warm place for 15 minutes so that the yeast will get active. Our yeast is nicely active. Now let's start preparing the dough. For that, firstly sieve maida. Into that add salt to taste. Now combine all the ingredients very well. Once you get a sticky kind of dough, add butter into it and knead dough for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you will get a soft dough like this. Now tuck dough and keep it in the bowl. Coat the dough well with half teaspoon of butter. Cover this tightly and keep it in a warm place for 1 hour or till the dough turns double in size. You can see our dough has rise very well. Give it a punch and knead dough for 2 minutes. Dust some maida on the dough and divide it into 6 equal balls. Round each ball like this and keep it in a baking tray greased with butter. Make sure you keep all the balls pretty close to each other. Brush this dough with warm milk. Now I am going to cover this tightly and keep it in a warm place for around 1 hour so that it brew up nicely. You can see the dough has brew up nicely. Now preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for 20 minutes. Our pav has baked really well. Now brush butter on top of this and cover it with a wet cloth. Let it cool down completely. Separate edges with knife and flip over. Our super soft pav is ready.